So what is really ShitBot?
I feel ShitBot is a crypto trading bot that helps you to trade futures in a fully automatic way.
So the bot is trading or any trades of the market, or how is that working?
Yes, the bot is trading based on the signals. It opens long positions and short positions. It depends on the signals received by the bot.
So when did you start developing the bot? Like how long ago? Give me a little bit history. How is all working?
I started the development of the bot in December 2022. We went through several versions, and the one that we have right now is V5 that we started in April this year.
Also, I can see now the bot is called V5. What's happening with the V1, V2, V3, and V4?
The earlier versions failed due to the extreme market. As I remember, we got nice profit for several times, running for several weeks, and then the market turbulence came and we got wrecked.
How long the V5 has been running for?
It's been running for more than 100 days. Literally 105 days at the time we are doing this Q&A. And I'm so happy that the bot has been performing very great so far.
Also, is the bot has been losing during this period of time?
Yes, we lost several times, but they were quickly recovered by next profit. The loss amount can be minimized by the strategy implemented on the bot.
What type of strategy is the bot is using right now?
Basically, the bot is doing DCA strategy. So, based on the signals, when the same signal comes, the bot will add a DCA order. But when an opposite signal comes, the bot will reduce 10% of volume. It will keep doing like that until reaching profit.
Is there any specific target of profits to take profits of any trade?
It's using trailing stop loss. We call it SLX. So it's kind of locking a profit when stop loss goes to positive value. If the profit goes above 0.57%, it will lock the profit at 0.47%. So it will do the trailing whenever there is an increase of 0.02%. For example, the profit goes above 1.10%, so the profit will be locked at 1%, and when price bounces back to that lock level, and the position will be closed.
Very important. What is the stop loss settings?
The bot doesn't use stop loss in terms of stopping the trade while floating a negative result. As a replacement, we put a new feature called automatic partial closure. This feature will maintain the position in the smallest possible volume to protect capital from liquidation. And the bot will keep fighting until winning the trade, minimizing the loss whenever the trailing has been triggered.
What was the worst trade ever was happening the least over 100 days? How much was the loss, and how quickly has recovered?
The biggest loss experienced by the bot was in June. The bot lost 4.3% of capital, and it took around 10 days to recover that loss. After that, we added a new feature, the one that I told earlier is automatic partial closure, just to prevent the same thing happening in the future.
Where we can use the bot?
It's available on finally.com using copytrading system, so anyone can easily register an account on Finally website and then connect to the bot.
How long do we need to set up the bot until actually start working for us?
It's pretty quick and straightforward. It takes less than 10 minutes to make the bot working for you.
Can I just let the bot running and just auto compounding the profits, or how is that working?
Sure, as long as you don't withdraw the profit, it will be automatically compounded for next trade.
Do you have any future plans to develop more profitable bot like V6, but will be more risky? Like, what's the plan for that?
Yes, I have a plan to develop the more aggressive bot that can hopefully can give us bigger profit. I'll start the research in August and we'll do the testing for maybe 2 or 3 months, and then hopefully we'll be ready to release it during the Christmas this year.
How many losses has the bot in the last 3, 4, 5 weeks? Because I cannot see a lot of losses in the chart. It's green, it's sea of green, and everybody have been loving it.
Yeah, that's correct. We've been in amazing performance for past 4 weeks. That's after we added the latest feature, the automatic partial closure. So after we added this feature, we only had one loss, a single loss. We lost 0.06% of capital.